I'm Rabbi Ari of Temple Shalom in New Milford, Connecticut. We have services every Friday at 6:30 p.m. We have our Shabbat study minyan at 9:30 a.m. on Saturdays, followed by services at 10:30. We have this Sunday, our Jewish Journeys family learning program. And then on Tuesdays, we always have my adult education class. This trimester's theme is Keva and Kavanah, exploring the mysteries of what takes place during services. It's been a lot of fun. I have a number of events coming up. I know it feels like we've been through a lot of events lately with my installation and our comedy night, both of which were big successes. But we also have a number of events coming up in the not-too-distant future. I just want to put them on people's radar screens. One November 20th, we have a scholar in residence from the University of Connecticut, Dr. Jeffrey Scholson, will be delivering a sermon on, quote, "Not Your Hebrew School Bible, Sex, Lies, and Love in the Torah." If you're someone who doesn't come to services every week, but you do like to come from time to time, this is one that you're not going to want to miss. I think it's going to be a lot of fun and very interesting as well. And then on December 5th, we're going to be celebrating our relationship with the JCC in Sherman by having a wine and cheese meet and greet at the JCC, and we're hoping that members of Temple Shalom and members of the JCC will be able to get to know each other better as we share this community together. I think that also is going to be a lot of fun. I know I'm looking forward to it. And then on December 20th, we're going to be having an unveiling ceremony for Rabbi Norman Koch, Zecher Tzadik Levracha. We'll be gathering at the cemetery to unveil his grave marker and to honor him and pay tribute to him. And then following that ceremony, everyone will be invited back to the Koch home for refreshments and bagels. So we're wishing everyone a Shavua Tov, and we're looking forward to seeing you at all of our events in the not-too-distant future. Shavua Tov.